Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your own music or sound to TikTok videos. So in here there are two ways that you can do two method. The first method is that you can just play the audio out loud. For example, you can use your computer and then play the music and then record your video on TikTok, or you can also just open the music player on your phone. For example, here I'm using Spotify, and in here you can start by playing the music that you want to add. For example, I'm going to play this one. You can just go with maximum volume, but I'm not going to do that now because I don't want to get copyrighted. Let's say I'm hearing this music out loud, and after that you can just open your TikTok in here and start open the camera. Click on the plus icon right here, and then you can just record your video in here. Okay, so that's the first method, and the second method is that you can just use a video editing app. For example, here I'm going to use CapCut. Okay, so here I'm going to tap on new projects and add a video. Okay, so let's say I'm going to upload this video. You can click on add, and then to add your own music you can just tap on add audio sound, and then click on the folder icon in here, and you'll find the video on your device. I'm going to just click on the plus icon. Let's try again. Okay, so let's say I've already added the audio. Now you can just export this, and after that you can upload it into TikTok. Okay, here I'm going to click on share to TikTok. You can tap on next, and here you can upload your videos. Just click on post. So that's all from me. That's how you can add your own music or sound to TikTok videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.